You're watching CNN IBN.
Welcome back to India 360. Now, would Times Square in New York or Piccadilly Circus in London look better without the billboards and glitzy ads? Well, the Mumbai Municipal Corporation certainly thinks that Mumbai should be free of them. Prachi Jatania reports on that plan.
These gigantic hoardings could soon be a thing of the past if the Mumbai Municipal Corporation's proposed ban on all hoardings in South Mumbai from Colaba to Baikala is cleared. This buzzing metropolis, known for its colourful skyline dotted with numerous hoardings, may become hoarding-free from March next year. And the civic body's logic for this regulation?
This is a very congested part of the city. The lanes are very narrow. And if you put up hoardings, then it makes the skyline very, very cluttered.
In its effort to give the city's landscape an aesthetic look, the revised policy will not allow hoardings on municipal properties. Top-floor occupants of residential societies can veto large hoardings on their terraces, and only one hoarding will be permitted on each building. But officials are not too clear about what happens to the scores of political banners and hoardings that often seem to flout rules.
They are not guided by these guidelines. They are basically guided by a separate corporation resolution.
Municipal authorities also want to ensure that hoardings across the suburbs are only of a standard specified size. Hoarding owners and advertisers are clearly not pleased with this move.
There is no doubt about it that there is a need of regulation, but not this way and not in this manner which is biased, which is clandestine. We have not been involved in it at all.
While advertisers and hoarding owners feel the civic body is hoarding trouble, Mumbaikars rooting for a beautified skyline will have to wait and see which way this debate turns. In Mumbai, Prachi Jatania.
Do stay tuned to India 360. We'll be back with lots more.